That's the vortex right there, bro.
Yeah.
That's it over there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Video right now. Is that it? What's a little small swamp out right here, though? Oh man, it's it right there, dude. That's what I did.
Right there,
that is it.
crap.
That is it. Dude, that thing's coming this way, right?
No, it's going that way. Oh, man.
I don't know. I think we're safe if it's right here. It's going past us, man. Oh my God. Is that it? That is a... Oh, that's a tornado, man. That is the one big... We're close to a tornado right now.
Yeah, we're watching it. It's really doing some damage over there, too.
It is.
That's like, they said it was bigger than an F5.
Oh
like,
my God. Look at those little bands right there to the side of it.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, I've never in my life. Did I take your pictures?